Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith.com. I ain't even gonna do that. Hey guys, it is Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. That's what happens when you be drinking wine and trying to record a video. Oh. Hey guys, I am back with another video on the Canva t-shirt order. So I wanted to come with an update so you guys can know what to expect. I believe in wearing my shirts, washing my shirts, and drying my shirts because the average American does not follow the label instructions. So I want to make sure if I am buying something or I am making something, I do the full-on rough ass washing, drying on high heat to see how durable these shirts are. So I am here with the update, and the first thing, I think I wore this shirt 3 times, the Live in the Moment shirt. So this is after the 3rd wear. I don't know, can y'all see that? So this is after the 3rd wear, right? So let me show you guys one thing that I noticed after the 2nd wash and dry, that the Canva was falling off in the inside. You see that? Didn't pull it, it's just hanging on by a thread. Look at it from this angle. Just hanging there, right? So barely hanging on. And then the design itself, if you can tell, it's starting to crack. It is starting to crack. Very bad actually. I don't know, let me move my light around. So it's starting to crack very bad. There you go. You can see it a little bit better that way. You can definitely see the crack in here. So yeah. So that's what you get with the Canva shirt. Now the words aren't really cracking. It's mainly, oh, I lied. The letter here is cracking, but the words up here aren't really cracking. It's mainly the picture that it has these little beady pieces in there. The shirt quality itself, yes, but the actual design, and that's kind of what you should always look for, especially if you're using Canva Bellas, you know, Bella Canvas. I always say backwards. If you know the quality of their shirts are good, but what makes a difference is the printing, the DTG, the sublimation, the vinyl, whatever the company is using. That is what will give you a true feel of what the quality is like, is the actual printing. Because Bella Canvas is never going to change the quality of their shirt. That BC 3001C is always going to be on point, period, okay? It's gonna always be good. It's gonna always be a great branded shirt. That's why I have boxes of it over here, okay? It's always going to be one of my favorite shirts. The feel, the touch, how long it lasts, it's always gonna be a favorite. But when you order it from different websites, it's all about the print quality. And if the print quality don't last, 3 rough washes, hot water, and hot dry, because again, no matter how many times we tell our customers, machine wash on cold and air dry, 99% of them are not going to do it. So you need to make sure you are testing this the roughest way ever. Spill something on it, okay? You got to see how tough these designs are, and are you getting your money's worth? So it could very well be the printing and not the shirt quality. So I hope this update can help you when you're deciding to place an order with Canva. It should get to them and let them know, hey, you guys need to work on your printing quality, because after 3 wears and 3 washes and dries, your shirts didn't hold up. Again, we know what it says on the tag, but the customers aren't going to most likely listen to it. That's why I didn't listen to it, because I needed to see the true quality of what will happen over time. Because after I wear a shirt maybe 3-4 times, then I'm actually washing and drying it for real. So hope this video of the Canva t-shirt update helped you guys, and this is my final review. Until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.